Kate, duchesse de Cambridge, a publiquement marqué l'étape majeure d'un projet qu'elle a lancé avec le prince William, le prince Harry et Meghan, la duchesse de Sussex. Kate a ébloui mercredi en rencontrant des personnes qui collaborent avec Shout, le service de SMS gratuit et 24 heures sur 24 sur la santé mentale lancé par la Royal Foundation en 2019. Lors de la visite à Londres, la duchesse de Cambridge a rencontré des superviseurs cliniques, des bénévoles et des collecteurs de fonds pour les remercier pour leurs efforts inestimables pour soutenir la croissance Shout. En s'adressant au personnel, Kate a entendu que Shout recherchait davantage de bénévoles pour répondre à la croissance de 140% de la demande de soutien que connaît le service depuis le début de la pandémie. La duchesse a également félicité toutes les personnes impliquées après la nouvelle. Plus d'1 million de conversations entre le personnel de Shout et des personnes aux prises avec leur santé mentale ont eu lieu depuis le lancement du service. Pendant son séjour à Shout, la duchesse a également eu la chance de rencontrer Scott Leo Street, qui a courageusement affronté des températures extrêmes pour collecter des fonds pour le service. Kate, qui est coprésidente de l'association Scout, a entendu du garçon de 13 ans comment il avait passé 365 nuits à dormir sur un hamac dans son jardin, un effort qui l'a aidé à collecter plus de 8000 livres pour Shout. Impressed by the commitment, the Duchess told the boy, "I cannot believe this. She added, there really isn't a big enough Scout badge for that. What you achieved is really inspiring. You must have had some impressive kit to keep warm." For her public appearance on Wednesday, the Duchess wore a leopard print green dress from US designer Derek Lam. She paired the designer dress with a pair of suede heel boots which finished below her knee and a matching black waist belt. The Duchess accessorized her look with the livre those gold-plated earrings previously worn in October 2021, when she delivered a keynote speech at an event hosted by the Forward Trust. Shout is the only 24 heures sur 24, 7 jours sur 7, confidential and free text messaging support service to people who are anxious, stressed, depressed, suicidal or overwhelmed and are in need of immediate support. The service was born from the legacy of the Head the Together campaign created in 2016 by the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge and Prince Harry to break down the stigma surrounding people with mental health. Shout was researched, developed and launched with a funding grant from the Royal Foundation in May 2019. And it was backed by the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. At the time, the couple issued a joint statement reading, "We are incredibly excited to be launching this service, knowing it has the potential to reach thousands of vulnerable people every day." Over the last few months, Shout has started working quietly behind the scenes. We have all been able to see the service working up close and are so excited for its future. At the heart of this service will be an incredible national volunteer community, one which needs to grow to allow us to support more people in crisis. We hope that many more of you will join us and be part of something very special. The launch of Shout and been the only project focused on mental health the royal couple collaborated on. In October 2019, the Four Royals voiced an advert for the NHS Mental Health online platform Every Mind Matters. The Shout service is modeled on the US-based crisis text line, launched in August 2013. Meghan and Harry, who renewed their commitment to breaking down the stigma surrounding mental health even after they stepped down as senior royals, held a video call with workers at Crisis in May 2020.